Now the mnemonics are dicot stem, epidermis, then hypodermis made up of collenchymal tissue, then vascular bundle. You can see here the similarities of the picture with my notes. Vascular bundle, then cortex, then endodermis, then pericycle, then medullary rays, then pith. Okay, you can see here. Now for dicot stem, we can remember Dr. Stark eat high calorie. Doctor, it's dicot, Stark stem, eat high calorie, very big corona, and pure medicine prevention. Okay, the mnemonics is Dr. Stark eat high calorific, very big corona, and pure medicine prevention. Here doctor is dicot, Stark is stem, eat is epidermis, high calorie is hypodermis, collenchymal tissue, calorie is collenchymal tissue, very big vascular bundle, corona, cortex, endodermis, and pure pericycle, medicine, medullary rays, and prevention is pith.